We're starting today's Vlogmas by going to Bruges. I haven't been here, so today is my very first time, and I know I should have come before because it has been a very long time that I'm living in Brussels, but sometimes life can get quite hectic and it's difficult to find the time. However, I'm really happy that I am going today because I have read that this city transforms into a winter wonderland adorned with enchanting decorations, and they do some lights festival, and I am really excited of going today. Bruges town, it's really like a fairy tale town. You have cobblestone streets, and when you walk around you can really get the aroma of waffles and cookies, which I think it really gets you in the Christmas mood and spirit. Every single corner was decorated with Christmas. Every shop, every bar, every restaurant, every coffee shop. Everything was full of fairy lights, of Christmas lights, and I really liked the fact that there was a lot of medieval architecture giving that, holiday storybook. When it turned dark, we decided to have some dinner, so we found this cozy and small restaurant that was full of Christmas lights. I really loved it, and it was part of this small plaza with other restaurants. We were quite cold, so the dinner menu was a perfect option. We had some tomato soup followed by some mussels and a nice dessert. Even though our visit was very brief, I have to say that this day in Bruges really offers a condensed dose of holiday enchantment and a profound immersion into the magic of Christmas. If you have the chance of coming, I really encourage it. Good morning. Today's agenda is going to visit a friend for brunch, and then I want to go to the gym to get some workout, just to keep on working on myself and my goals before 2024 gets here. Then I have lots of things to arrange at home. Hey guys, I just arrived from the gym. Oh my god, I really needed to just like sit down for a moment in that table with my turmeric shot, my matcha, just like let's come back to life. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Next thing in the agenda for this Vlogmas, we have friends coming over tonight for a Christmas dinner. A lot of us are going for a Christmas vacation very soon, and we will not see each other until January, so we want to take advantage and just like get together. Jorge has gone to do some grocery shopping. He's in charge of dinner, and I am in charge of the house. And again, we allowed our busy work life affect the fact of how tidy things are, and that really stresses me out. So I'm not only doing it because I have people over, but because I just arrived and I was like, alright. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to tidy up my entire house, clean a little bit. Jorge has allergies, so I like to clean from time to time. So yeah, depending what time I finish, I will decide on what I will do next. So right now it's 10 to 3. I don't think this will take me too long, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm just going to put on some music, just enjoy the cleaning, because I love cleaning. Like, cleaning really helps me to distress. And after that, depending on what the time is, I will decide if I want a shower or a bath, because I do want to work before people come. I want to do some work. So, let's do it. Okay, Christmas lights on, Okay, so here's the table ready for our guests, with some crackers that Jorge brought from London and a nice Christmas plant right in the middle. And here we've got Jorge doing all of the cooking. Do you want to tell what you're doing?
I'm doing coffee liquor. Christmas family secret, family recipe, and that is for dessert. And here I am doing flamenquines, which is a typical meal from Cordoba, from the south of Spain. And the potatoes here, and I'm gonna do some mushroom cream for the flamenquines. And also I am doing more potatoes on the oven.
You're doing lots of things.
Yeah, that's all for now. I'm gonna do the entries later. Oh.
Okay, it's currently 5:30 and I have just finished organizing the entire house and cleaning, and our guests are arriving at around 7:30, so there's no time for a bath. I will have a shower and maybe stay in my room for a little bit, work a little bit, watch some YouTube, and then I'll get ready and have our Christmas dinner.
What do you call a sad strawberry? A blueberry.
I was just about to say good morning because it's literally how I'm feeling right now, as if it was the morning, as if my day had just, my day just started, but like it's 2 o'clock, it's 2 p.m. Oh my god, cold. Yesterday's dinner was super fun. We ended up at 3:30 something in the morning with a lot of wine, and we had a lot of fun. I really loved having them over. I'm so grateful and I feel so blessed that I have the opportunity to have this type of dinners, you know, with people that I can call family here in Brussels. It's really nice. And yeah, now I'm on my way to meet a friend, and we're going to see if we can do a Christmas wreath. We really wanted to do that last year, but we couldn't. So this year we were trying to find the same girl that was offering the workshop to do it. So it's a natural Christmas wreath and you just make it completely handmade with all the decorations. But we couldn't find the workshop, but I told her that in the market that I love going to, they were selling Christmas trees and Christmas wreaths without any decoration, and I told her that maybe we could just like meet, have a look around, and yeah, see if we can make them. So I'm excited. I have to say, I really enjoyed crafting a handmade Christmas wreath with my friend. I think, first of all, the personal touch. You know, a handmade wreath is a unique expression of creativity and personal style. Also, what it symbolizes. Wreaths have been used for centuries as symbols of eternity, continuity, and the cyclical nature of life. In general, handmade wreaths incorporate a lot of natural elements like pine cones and evergreen branches, so I think this helps with our connection with nature, and it also symbolizes life and growth even in the winter months. I think it's also an opportunity to practice some mindfulness and relaxation. This can be a really meditative activity and give you the opportunity to be present in the moment and find joy in the creative process. I really like how mine ended up. I really wanted to put some dry oranges, but those are still in the oven, so I will have to wait for that. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.